Ever dreamt of having Blooket boxes that perfectly match your lesson's theme? Let's unlock the secrets to custom Blooket boxes. First things first, it's important to understand that Blooket, as of now, doesn't directly offer a feature for uploading or creating your own box designs. But don't lose hope. One way to potentially see custom boxes in the future is to suggest the feature directly to Blooket. Head over to their support page or social media channels and let them know you're interested. The more voices they hear, the better. In the meantime, get creative with simulations. Use graphic design tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even Google Slides to design your dream Blooket boxes. Create individual images that mimic the look and feel of the Blooket style. Design boxes around specific themes. Imagine a history lesson with ancient Egypt-themed boxes or a science class with space exploration. The possibilities are endless. While you can't directly implement these designs into the game, you can use them as visual aids. Display your custom box images on a screen while students are playing. This will enhance the theme and make the learning experience more immersive. So, while we wait for official custom box support, these alternative methods let you inject your personality and creativity into Blooket, transforming ordinary gameplay into extraordinary learning adventures. Unleash your inner designer, and let's make Blooket even more engaging.